Here I present the application of automatic database schema generation. This application is used to access any type of database, but we are mainly focusing on two type of databases. They are MySQL database and MS Access database. First I start with MySQL database. Start all programs, MySQL, MySQL Server 5.1, MySQL command line client. After opening this, enter the password root. And minimize this. Now open my computer, C drive, program files, Apache Software Foundation, Tomcat 5.5, bin, and now start the server. Now the server is started. Minimize this. Web apps folder, HTTP admin folder, database. Now select SQL file visa by Ctrl A and copy the code and paste into MySQL command line client. When the code is pasted successfully, then again move to start all programs, Apache Tomcat 5.5, and click on welcome. And now click on Tomcat Manager and username is admin. Click OK. After pressing OK, now click on HTTP admin. Now the application comes. Now select MySQL driver and write the visa file name. Username root, password root. Press on login. After pressing, our execution over. Now the left side, extremely left side, these are the tables which are already created. For seeing the data present in this table, click on any table and click on module show. Now the query executed successfully and it display the content present in the table. Login detail. Now if I want to insert the data into the same table, then we have to click on the same table, login detail, insert the data, Anup, password Vikram, category OC. Now click on go. The row is inserted successfully. Now for displaying the data which I have entered into the same table, click on show module. After clicking, the data which we have entered is username Anup, password Vikram, and category OC. This is the execution. Now for the other databases, we have to disconnect this. Now I change over to MS Access database. For this, we have to create a data source name. Enter into the control panels, administrator tools, data source, add Microsoft Access driver, finish, data source name db5, select C DPP, OK, click on OK, OK, OK. Now the data source name is created. Now open the same file application and select JDBC ODBC driver. Now the data source name is db5. Click on login. Now the execution is completed. Now that as the same procedure in the MySQL database, at the extreme left side the tables which are already created are given. For showing the data present in these tables, click on any table name, login details, show. It displays the data present in the table. Now for entering data in any table like category, click on that and select on insert module. Enter the category ID, category name, category D. Now click on go. The row is inserted successfully. For the data present in the same table, click on show button. The data which we have entered is 33, Arun and 34. Thank you. This is the execution of our main two databases.